Alright, we're going to do this little instructional video here to kind of give you an overview of hooking up a sauna pack and where the various wires go and the various cables. We'll start at the back of the unit. This cord right here is for this device. This is a thermal overload, and this is here if the sauna was to get above 150 degrees Fahrenheit inside. This will physically trip and it'll kill power to all of the heaters and effectively shut off all the heaters. To reset this, you have to manually push this red button. The next port over is our AC power in. Most of the AC, well, we can do both 230 volts 50 hertz and 115 volts 60 hertz for the United States. It just takes a little bit of configuration issue inside. So we'll just plug this in to show you that that's how that works. Then we're going to spin it around. And you'll see that we have various ports here. Each of these receptacles goes to a different zone. Like, for instance, zone 3, zone 2, zone 1, and this is the light for inside the sauna. And the reason I'm showing you this is I put a little LED light on here so that when you're physically operating this thing, as you turn the power levels up and down at each one of these zones, you'll be able to see that this thing the intensity will get brighter and darker. So the next step we want to look at is these two ports here. This one is for the temperature sensor. That happens to be the temp sensor. We use a shielded Cat 5e cable. We're going to snap that in there. This is going to be our data port. It snaps in right next to it. The schematic calls it control panel. I'm going to snap that in here and show you how that works. Again, it's a shielded Cat 5e cable. So now, to get from this 10-inch touchscreen, be able to communicate with this, I want to have it. We have an adapter card, okay? In its current form, we use a gender-changing adapter plug to go from USB to USB cable. It'll plug in just like that. Our data cable will snap in right here. And this is how it's going to communicate with our 10-inch tablet. And that's it. It's pretty much the way it works. It's real straightforward, real simple. The schematic makes it easy. Everything's labeled for you. You can see exactly what's going on. It's real easy. It was built to be easy for the consumer to understand as well.